Okay, Ozzy, let's rock and bowl.
Hello, Joe.
Ah, hello. You must be Cara, and you must be Shay.
Hi, Joe. I'm Coach Ken.
Ah, hello.
We're practicing for the bowling later.
Bowling? I'm really good at bowling.
Bowling balls are hard and heavy.
Wait here. Aha! Is this a bowling ball?
Yes.
Yes.
Hello. I'm Joe, and this is Cara.
Hello, I'm spraying the shoes to make them smell nice. Oh no, Joe, I haven't sprayed those shoes yet. Sorry, Joe, we have no bowling shoes in your size.
My delivery. Wait here.
Oh no, those are clown shoes. Not bowling shoes.
Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing. But there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy,
Day.
Shay, you go first. Okay.
Shay's really good at bowling.
Joe, it's your turn. Okay.
Bowling is easy.
It's okay.
Oh, bowling is hard.
Let's just go again.
Again. Wait here.
I don't know where he is.